everyone, my name is Shauna and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a clean and decorate with me for Halloween. So if you haven't been a subscriber to my channel, I am kind of new here and I took a big long break because of COVID. I don't think I would blame anybody for taking any kind of mental health breaks that they needed during this crazy time. But I did take a break because we found out that we are expecting baby number 4. Literally we found out the day before everything started shutting down in the country and things started changing and stores closed and everybody sort of went into a big panic. So now that everything is calming down and we're getting back into like a routine of things, I thought that I would want to share with you guys just my ideas for the holidays and decorating. We love the holidays in our family. In fact, my daughter was born the day before Halloween, so it's kind of like a big kickoff for the holidays for us to start getting ready and decorating and getting excited in the month of October. So today is October 1st. And we are going to be decorating and getting ready for Halloween. So let's go ahead and jump in. I have a lot of things to do today. I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen, my living room, and my dining room area, and then I'm going to bring out my Halloween decor and kind of add to the fall decor that I have going on right now. So we have a couple things to do today, so let's go ahead and get started.
Walk me in the morning sun, tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good?
Okay, first off, I just want to say that this is the first time I have seen myself pregnant on camera, and wow, I am almost 34 weeks right now, so I know I am almost to the end, but I really look like I am about to pop at any moment. I guess it's because this is my 4th pregnancy, but now I know why my husband has been asking me daily if I've started packing my hospital bag.
Take it to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine in the shade of a tree, and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to ask when life is going by so fast.
Alright, but now getting back into the video. Almost every single day when I'm cleaning, I start in the kitchen. It's just the most central part of our home, so I pass through it about 1,000,000 times a day. So I always feel way better after it's all wiped down and clean. So I'm wiping down all the counters and the oven, as well as the front of my appliances, because 3 kids equals tons of fingerprints. But if you look closely, you'll also see that I made homemade cornbread yesterday, and some of the batter must have spilled on the front of my oven. So I had to go over that a few times and get that mess cleaned off. And that is something that I wanted to mention too. So here's a little tip for you. What I do if there is a spill or a mess on a surface that I know is going to require a good scrub, what I've been doing is spraying my cleaner and then letting it sit a few minutes before wiping it with my cloth. And I found that when I let it sit just even for a few seconds longer than I normally would, the mess is so much easier to tackle, and I don't have to use my fingernail to scrape it off, because I really don't like it when I have to do that. I don't know about you guys. And I do want to say too that one of the easiest ways to add a pop of seasonal decor to your kitchen is just getting a seasonal kitchen towel and putting it on your oven or on your dishwasher, whatever you can hang it on. It's just a really inexpensive way to bring in the season into your kitchen.
You walked into the room. Think I knew right then that it was always you. Something in your eyes, it was all so true. Every step I took, they all led to you. We were young.
Okay, now I'm moving on to my table, and I'm just gonna take off my decor, give that a good wipe down, and I am going to put everything back nicely. But we use our table for every meal, and the kids always, there's crumbs everywhere all the time. But we also do homeschool. I homeschool my 5-year-old little boy, and my 1-year-old little girl likes to jump in and homeschool too. So we do a lot of things at our table. It's used all the time, and there's always some kind of mess on it, whether it's paint or crayons or crumbs or food. So I'm going to give everything a good wipe down so I can get everything clean and fresh and ready for new decor.
I'll try to make it up if you need me to. Something in your smile, I've never been so sure that all I ever wanted was to give you more.
All right, now moving on to my living room area. I right now have this fall garland that I got from the dollar store, and I am going to take that down and replace it because my favorite place in the house to decorate for Halloween is the entertainment center and our living room and TV area. I don't have very much Halloween specific decor, so I really like decorating just this one little area because most of the time that we are doing something for Halloween, we have a movie going or a show, and I just think it's so fun to sit on our couch and cuddle up and watch a scary or a spooky little show, and when you're watching it, you see all of your cute decor all around you. It kind of gets you in the mood and gets you ready for Halloween.
Cause of you, don't wanna waste another minute without you. I will love you in the dark, and if you ever fall out, please don't leave me out, 'cause I will love you.
And I'm also going to take down this sign that says gather. I actually got that sign at Dollar General, if you can believe it. I love that sign. It's so cute. But I know I really thought that maybe I could keep my trick or treat banner up there with it, and it just wasn't going to work. So I took it down, and I just have it put up there with some command strips so I can always put it right back after Halloween when we are kind of redecorating for fall.
Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal.
So now I'm going to really start adding some decorations to the TV area, and you can see my little boy popping around back there. He's got his Halloween pajamas on. He's really excited to start watching all the spooky movies. But we are starting to decorate here, and you'll see that I am not sure what I'm doing with this. I just got this creepy cloth from the store this year, so I really was expecting it to be a little bit bigger than it actually was, so I wasn't quite sure how I was going to drape it or what I was going to do with it, so I just kind of ended up using it as like a little table runner in front of the TV, and I think it adds just a little touch of texture and creepiness to the TV stand. So I hope you like it.
In your eyes, I just wanna love you till the day I die.
And now I'm just putting the sparkly black candlesticks that I got from Target probably 5 years ago or so, and I have just some little LED tea lights that are specific for Halloween. They're like black and they have like an orange flickering flame. Anyway, I put them out every year, and the kids really like to turn them on when it's nighttime. So, and then I'm just going to be adding a couple more things to make it really spooky.
Love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare.
And now I'm just moving some more things around. This sign that says happiness is homemade, I'd actually had it on top of my refrigerator in my kitchen, and I decided to move it to the wall so I could put that gather sign that I just took off of the top of the TV up there on top of the refrigerator instead, and I think it looks really cute. The little wood grain frame around it matches my cabinets, so I really like it right there. Anyway, now I'm moving on to the living room, and I'm just going to fluff my cushions and get everything straightened up and put the pillows where they're supposed to go and the blanket where it's supposed to go, and kiss my sweet little boy.
I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now, what's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love. When you talk or listen close, there's just something about your voice. I think that every word you say to me is like poetry. I just want you for my own. It's really easy to tell that you're the best girl I've ever known. I'm not gonna waste this.
And you guys, I just have to tell you that this blanket is the softest blanket I think I have ever felt in my whole life. I got it at Target and it was only like $15. They had a few different colors, but I really like this orange for Halloween and fall, and it really goes with all of my other like decor that I have up. So I thought it was just a really nice cozy blanket for the couch to cuddle up with.
Fix your eyes on me. I can't help myself, fall in love, I go crazy. What you wanna do now? Should we head back to my place? When you give me that smile, I think my heart's turning up the pace. I don't care about what we do if I get to be with you. What you wanna do now? What's to be afraid of when we're young, stupid, and in love?
And thank you guys for watching my video if you've made it to the very end. I really, really love the holidays and everything that we have coming up in the next couple of months. So I hope that you stay tuned, and I am going to see you in the next video. Thanks again.
You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when